What's up everybody? We are on Thailand's largest island and province, Phuket. And yes, it is actually pronounced Phuket, not the common mispronunciation Phuket.
We're staying on Kata Beach, and today we are going to visit some of the most scenic and famous lookout points and viewpoints.
So we've arrived at the first viewpoint, the Karon Viewpoint, and it is typically the most popular viewpoint. Any time of year you'll see tourists here, no matter if it's high season or low season. It's located directly south of Kata Noi Beach, and it looks directly out into the Andaman Sea, and it gives you stunning views of the Karon Beach and Kata Beach. And here you can see Kata Noi, Kata, and Karon Beach.
Stop of the day, the Windmill Viewpoint. This isn't as busy as the first one, but it is a common meeting point for model aeroplane enthusiasts and parasailers who take off from this high point and actually land gracefully at the beach down there that you can see. The name, the Windmill Viewpoint, comes from the few windmills that are behind the camera right now. Those are part of the Promthep alternative energy source.
Stop at the bottom of Windmill Viewpoint at Yanoi Beach, and if we failed to mention earlier, we're exploring the south side of Phuket, so all of the viewpoints are in a big loop. There are actually a lot more viewpoints that are well known and worth visiting. So for this beach right here, this is one of 40 beaches on Phuket. So the island is just loaded with these scenic, gorgeous beaches. So we'll just take you around and explore this one real quick. This is one of the lesser known beaches. The most famous one on this island is Patong Beach. And then where we're staying, Karon and Kata Beach are other famous ones as well. Right up there is the Windmill Viewpoint. That's where we just were. Let's see if I can climb up here. Oh God, I didn't realize there was such a big drop right there. Yeah. Holy shit. All right, we're here at the Promthep Cape. This is on the southernmost part of Phuket. It's a great place to come watch the sunset, although we're here at like 1:30 in the afternoon. We probably won't catch the sunset here today. Alright, so you can see all the way up there is the Cape. That's the farthest point of Phuket. And the best place to watch a sunset.
Вот еще блогеры снимают тоже себе.
Those are some fellow vloggers. What you can see out there is just out there. There's an island, and then over to the right. You can't see that one. It's pretty much a hike through here. You all good?
Yeah.
Okay. I can definitely see why this is the most photographed part of Phuket.
Oh, I can't imagine too many people come down here. We saw so many people like gathered up at the top, and there's like no one out here.
Not at this time of day, but at sunset maybe. Lots of cool viewpoints from out here. You're all the way up there. Still got a little bit more to go. Hello. Hi. I'd say this was worth it. Just out there is the Buddhist monastery. Can't really see from this distance on the camera, but there's a gold Buddha sitting in a meditative position out there that you can spot. To the end of the Cape proved to be worthwhile. If you plan on visiting this viewpoint, make sure to come all the way out here. Don't be lazy and stay at the top.
Bring water.
Yeah, bring
sunscreen.
Bring water, wear sunscreen, but come at sunset though too, so you might be a little bit cooler, and you might get a better chance of great photographs with great lighting. So on to the next viewpoint.
Our fourth and final stop of the day. It is the Big Buddha, which is one of Phuket's most important landmarks. In 2004, and it is 45 meters tall and 25 meters wide at the base. It's made out of concrete, and then it's covered in Burmese white jade marble, which makes it sparkle in the sun. It's great to come up here during sunset. So then the gold Buddha next door, although it is gold, it is actually made out of 20 tons of brass, which is quite heavy.
So this is by far one of the best views on the island. 360 degrees, the highest point you can get on the island. How do you rate this one?
Of all the Buddhas or all the lookout points?
All the lookout points.
I think this is definitely the best one. It's 360 degrees, and there's a cool statue at the top.
Give you a thumbs up, Buddha.
Thanks so much for following us around today as we visited some of the most scenic viewpoints on the southern part of Phuket.
If you find yourself in Phuket and looking to explore some of these viewpoints, I'd highly recommend taking a motorbike and taking the windy roads around from viewpoint to viewpoint. It was super fun. The roads are very easy to navigate through and very manageable if you're an experienced moped rider. Just on a side note, make sure to never pay more than 250 baht for a motorbike rental for a day.
And really the only other way that we saw people getting, from place to place was with an organized tour. So kind of your options here are to either rent the bike or do an organized tour.
It's more adventurous to explore on your own. We would recommend that. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below what your favorite viewpoint is. I know we missed a bunch of them because we were only on the southern point of Phuket. I know there's a lot more north.
Yeah.